One of those new COVID-19 testing sites has opened up in Outagamie County.
Local 5's Paul Evenson was at Fox Valley Technical College, where officials from 3 counties have teamed up in hopes of meeting the demand for testing in the Fox Valley.
A new COVID-19 testing site has opened up at the Fox Valley Technical College campus on Appleton's west side. The new site is a collaborative effort between Outagamie, Winnebago, and Calumet County officials in hopes of better tracking the number of coronavirus cases in the area.
This is the first time that you're going to have very comprehensive, thorough testing, and that will give us the best indication to date just how severe the COVID crisis is here in Outagamie County, the Fox Valley.
Targeted individuals, followed by the general public later this week, will be able to utilize the drive-through testing site. Members of the Wisconsin National Guard assisting with both testing and site management.
Knowing that we needed something that was easily on and off the highway and that we wouldn't have to do a great deal of decontamination after the testing is completed, this was just the best choice for us at the time when we were selecting.
Health officials here at the new testing site hope to administer tests to up to 300 people per day. The results from those tests should be back within 3 to 5 days, and those who are tested will then be notified of the results. Anyone age 5 or older who is showing symptoms is eligible for the free tests. Tests demands throughout the week will determine how long the site will remain open.
We will continue to assess the use of the testing site throughout the week. If we find that we are meeting or exceeding our capacity of testing each day, we will continue that evaluation and put a request out to continue testing into next week if we determine that it's necessary with our partners.
In Appleton, Paul Evenson, Local 5 News.
Community members who are planning to be tested are encouraged to complete an online patient information form prior to arriving at the site. And if you'd like to get tested, there are plenty of options this week in the Fox Valley. Tomorrow, testing will be restricted still to only people identified by the health department. Then starting Wednesday through Friday, all residents in Outagamie, Winnebago, and Calumet counties who are experiencing symptoms can get testing from 9 in the morning until 5 at night. You're asked to use the north entrance of Fox Valley Technical College on Blue Mound Drive.